all of you are doing extremely well. Okay, so today again I'm back again with a new video on Sunday. Okay, fine. So in today's video, we are going to start with the recipe of pancake. Okay, so this is the last of the three recipes which we are doing today. Actually, in the first recipe, I told you that I'll be explaining you about three recipes. So I have already explained you two recipes that are of omelette and salad. Today we are doing the recipe of pancake. So I'll put the link of that two recipes also in the description box below. So now without any further ado, let's start with the today's topic. Okay, so have a look onto the screen and let's get started. See, recette de crêpe, that means recipe of pancake. Crêpe is pancake in French. Okay. Ingredient means ingredients. Farine 250 gram, that is wheat 250 grams. Farine means wheat, and liu, that means water. Liu sel, that means some salt. Du poivre, that means some pepper. Then the oignon épluché, that is peeled onion. De l'huile, that is some oil. So the ingredients are 250 gram of wheat, some water, some salt, some pepper, peeled onion and some oil. Now, préparation, that is preparation. Ajoutez de l'huile dans la farine à faire les pâtes. That means add some water in the wheat to make a dough. Okay, so ajoute de l'huile dans la farine à faire les pâtes. That means what? Add some water in the wheat to make a dough. Pâte means dough. Now, ajoute du sel, du poivre et l'oignon bien coupé. Add some salt, some pepper and well cut onion. Bien coupé means well cut. L'oignon means onion. Faites le mélange, that means make the mixture. Mettez un poêle sur le feu, chauffez-le. That means mettez un poêle sur le feu means put the stove on fire and heat it up. Okay, put the stove on fire and heat it up. Ajoutez de l'huile versus le mélange. That means add some oil and then pour the mixture. Après 2 minutes, ajoutez de l'huile pour le retourner. That means after 2 minutes, add some oil to turn it over. Puis service-le, that means then serve it. Okay, so this was a very small recipe of pancake in French. If you guys like my video, so please share it among your friends, family members, and please don't forget to click on to the subscribe button. Okay, so in the next video, we will be starting with a very interesting and a new topic. So till then, just take care and bye bye.